Your cleaning cabinet is probably full of stuff that doesn't actually work, and I found 15 Amazon products under 30 bucks that genuinely do, and the last one might replace your entire cleaning routine. We're going through 15 cleaning finds that are cheap, easy to use, and honestly, kind of satisfying. I'll leave the links to everything in the description below, so check that out if you want to grab any of these. If this is your kind of content, go ahead and subscribe now. Item 1. Microfiber Cleaning Cloth Pack. Have you ever seen a cloth that picks up dust without just pushing it around? That's this pack of microfiber cloths. You just wipe, rinse, and reuse. No paper towels needed. These usually run under $15 for a big pack, and the appeal is obvious. They're lint-free, streak-free, and they last forever if you actually wash them right. It's trending because it quietly replaces 3 other cleaning products at once, and at this price, it's an easy add to any cart. 2. Reusable dryer balls. Can you imagine cutting your dryer time down just by tossing a few balls in with your laundry? Wool dryer balls bounce around in the dryer, separating your clothes so hot air moves through faster. They run around $10 to $20 for a set and last for years. The wow factor is that they replace dryer sheets completely, no chemicals needed, and they're a total impulse buy because they're small, cheap, and basically last forever. 3. Scratch-free scrub sponges. Ever wondered why your nonstick pans keep getting ruined? It's probably your sponge. These scratch-free scrub pads are the kind of find that makes you go, wait, that actually exists? They tackle baked-on grime without scratching delicate surfaces. A multi-pack runs under $15, and they're trending hard in kitchen cleaning circles because they finally solve the "how do I clean this without ruining it" problem. By the way, if you're enjoying this, tap subscribe. I've got a lot more of these coming. 4. All-in-one cleaning caddy organizer. Do you love it when your cleaning supplies stop falling out of the cabinet every time you open it? This caddy organizer holds your sprays, cloths, and brushes in one portable carrier with a handle. It's usually under $25, and the appeal is pure convenience. You grab one handle and clean the whole house without 5 trips back to the closet. It's an easy buy because it instantly makes your setup look and feel more organized. 5. Grout Cleaning Pen. Have you ever scrubbed tile grout for 20 minutes and barely seen a difference? This grout pen is the fix. You twist the base and cleaning solution feeds right into a built-in brush tip so you can target grout lines directly. It's usually under $15 and it's trending because it turns one of the most annoying cleaning jobs into something that actually feels quick. Easy to store, easy to use, a classic impulse buy. I'll drop links to all of these below, so take a look if any catch your eye. 6. Reusable, washable paper towel alternative. Can you imagine never buying paper towels again? These washable towel sheets work like paper towels, but you just toss them in the wash and reuse them. A set usually runs under $20. The wow here is the long-term savings. One roll can replace months of paper towels. And it's an easy sell because it's an eco-friendly swap that doesn't ask you to change your habits at all. 7. Silicone dish brush with soap dispenser. Ever wondered why regular dish brushes get gross so fast? Silicone doesn't hold bacteria or smell the way bristles do. And this one has a built-in soap dispenser, so you just press the handle and go. It's usually under $15. It's trending because it solves 2 annoying problems: soggy brushes and refilling soap in one small cheap tool that looks good sitting by the sink too. 8. Retractable Window Squeegee Kit. Do you love streak-free windows without the streaky part? This squeegee kit extends to reach high windows and mirrors, and it comes with a microfiber pad on the other side for wiping. Usually under $25, it's a favorite because it makes an annoying chore fast, and the extendable handle means no ladder required. A big reason it keeps showing up in cleaning hauls. We're over halfway there, so if you want more finds like this, go ahead and subscribe. 9. Odor eliminating gel bead jars. Have you ever opened a fridge or closet and immediately regretted it? These gel bead jars quietly absorb odors instead of just masking them with fragrance. A multi-pack is usually under $15.
They're trending because they last for weeks, they're mess-free, and they're small enough to tuck anywhere. Shoes, cars, fridges, making them one of the easiest, cheapest impulse buys on this whole list.
10. Magic Eraser Style Cleaning Pads. Can you imagine scuff marks just disappearing off your walls with barely any effort? These foam cleaning pads work with just water, no chemicals needed, to lift scuffs, marks, and grime off almost any surface. A big pack usually runs under $20. The wow factor is genuinely how little effort it takes, which is exactly why this type of product blows up in cleaning videos over and over. 11. UV Sanitizing Wand. Ever wondered what's actually living on your phone, keyboard, or doorknobs? This handheld UV wand claims to kill germs on surfaces in seconds just by waving it over them. It's usually under $30, right at the edge of our budget here. It's trending because it feels a little futuristic and gives quick peace of mind on high-touch surfaces. A genuinely easy impulse buy for anyone germ-conscious. I promised you the one that might replace your whole cleaning routine. That's coming up right now, after this one.
12. Compact Handheld Steam Cleaner. Have you ever wished you could sanitize something without any chemicals at all? This handheld steamer blasts hot steam to loosen grime and kill germs on counters, tile, and even fabric. It's usually right around $30. What makes it trend is the wow, it's basically chemical-free factor. You fill it with water, plug it in, and it's ready in under a minute. 13. Cordless handheld vacuum for crumbs and dust. Do you love not having to drag out the big vacuum for a small mess? This little cordless vacuum handles crumbs, dust, and pet hair in seconds, and it charges on a small dock so it's always ready. Usually under $30, it's an easy impulse buy because it's compact enough to keep in a kitchen drawer and it makes quick cleanups feel almost effortless. 14. Mini Robot Mop with Washable Pads. Can you imagine your floors getting mopped without you lifting a finger? This compact robot mop glides around with a washable microfiber pad attached, picking up dust and light grime as it goes. Budget versions run right around $30. It's trending because it feels like a mini taste of smart home cleaning tech without the huge price tag of a full robot vacuum. And now, the one I promised you. 15. Cordless Electric Spin Scrubber. Have you ever scrubbed a shower for so long your arm went numb? This cordless spin scrubber spins the brush head for you, so you guide it over tile, grouts, and glass while it does the actual scrubbing. It's usually right around $30, at the top of this list's budget, but it's the one people talk about the most because it turns a dreaded chore into something that takes minutes instead of an hour. It's trending everywhere right now for exactly that reason, and it's genuinely the most satisfying one to watch in action. So that's 15 Amazon cleaning finds, all under $30. From tiny $5 swaps to that spin scrubber that basically does the scrubbing for you. None of these require a huge investment, but together they can seriously upgrade how easy cleaning feels around your house. I've got every single link down in the description if you want to grab any of these for yourself. And if you like this kind of roundup, subscribe. I've got a lot more finds like this coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.